Hi, it's March 20th, and today's bird is the Harlequin duck, which is like the coolest duck that has ever been. Look, it's right there. It's really little and has like this really cool pattern all over it. Um, and it's an oceanic duck, so you really only see it right on the coasts in colder water. I've seen it in um, off the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean in Rhode Island. And here's the description of the Harlequin duck, Histrionicus histrionicus. Uncommon and local. Small flocks winter at habitual sites on rocky coastlines with strong wave action, diving close to rocks. Nests along clear rocky streams with very fast, powerful currents. Rarely mixes with other ducks. Feeds mainly on crustaceans and mollusks. A small duck with small bill, thick neck and long tail. Dark with almost all dark wings in all plumages. Breeding male, distinctive. Look how distinctive that guy is. Super distinctive. Voice. Female gives harsh clucking or quacking sounds. Male gives thin, scratchy squeaks and lower clucking sounds.